everyone, I'm Faith Gonal, a teacher here at Point Avenue. Let's talk about our elementary camp programs for Summer Day Camp 2026. This camp is split into highly specialized morning and afternoon tracks, engineered to fast-track your child's academic growth, build essential life skills, and spark a lifelong love for learning. Our mornings are dedicated to building a bulletproof academic foundation through 3 distinct courses. First, in Reading Voyage, we use guided reading to improve pronunciation, comprehension, and reading speed. Next, the Writing Project takes their composition to the next level by mastering writing fundamentals and academic structure. Finally, our academic intensive features the Junior TOEFL framework, specifically designed to boost fluency, build advanced vocabulary, and sharpen both listening and reading comprehension. In the afternoon, we shift from the traditional desk dynamics into hands-on experiential learning. In Kitchen Kids, students build vital life skills like kitchen safety, simple cooking, table manners, and basic first aid. In Heritage Explorers, students dive into mysterious historical sites through an immersive storytelling and projects. We also have STEAM, which students engage in interactive science, technology, art, and engineering projects that promotes logical thinking and practical mathematics. To guarantee maximum development, our camp seamlessly bridges hard academic skills with crucial social emotional growth. Through structured teamwork, peer activities, and real-life problem solving, students learn how to communicate effectively, think critically, and navigate new challenges with resilience. By the end of this camp, your child won't just be better readers, writers, and critical thinkers. They will possess the self-assurance, practical life skills, and academic momentum to thrive in the coming year. Give them the gift of absolute confidence and a summer of unforgettable discovery by joining our elementary day camp today.